Hi dear learners, let us subtract algebraic expression minus 3x square plus 7y square minus z square from 2x square minus 5y square minus 7z square. We have two methods here, horizontal method and column method. In horizontal method, when from or by comes, we have to write the second algebraic expression first. 2x square minus 5y square minus 7z square minus of minus 3x square plus 7y square minus z square. First we'll remove the bracket here. 2x square minus 5y square minus 7z square. Minus into minus is plus 3x square minus into plus is minus 7y square minus into minus is plus z square. First we'll group the like terms here. 2x square plus 3x square plus minus 5y square minus 7y square plus minus 7z square plus z square. 2 plus 3 into x square as a common factor plus minus 5 minus 7, take out y as a common, plus minus 7 plus 1, take out z square as a common. 2 plus 3 is 5x square plus minus into minus is plus. We have to add the numbers. 5 plus 7 is 12. Greater number is 7. Sign of 7 is minus. So minus 12y square plus minus into plus is minus. We have to subtract the numbers. 7 minus 1 is 6. Greater number is 7. Sign of 7 is minus. So minus 6 z square. 5x square plus into minus is minus 12y square plus into minus is minus 6 z square. Here is your horizontal method. In column method, write 2x square minus 5y square minus 7z square. Write minus 3x square in the x column plus 7y square in the y column minus z square in the z column. Here the coefficient of z square is 1. So change the sign. Minus will become plus, plus will become minus, minus will become again plus. Now z square minus into plus is minus. We have to subtract the numbers. 7 minus 1 is 6. Greater number is 7. Sign of 7 is minus. 5y square minus into minus is plus. We have to add the numbers here. 5 plus 7 is 12. Greater number is 7. Sign of 7 is minus. Here also x square plus into plus is plus. We have to add the numbers. 5x square minus 12y square minus 6z square.